Welcome back to Top on Sale Product Recommendations. Today, we've got something every DIY enthusiast and repair pro will love. The SMARLAN Hexagon Ratchet Spanner Wrench Set. A compact, powerful, and incredibly handy mini ratchet tool that fits right in your pocket. This 10-piece drive screwdriver bit set comes with a 1/4-inch mini quick-release socket handle, making it perfect for all your small repairs. From home appliances and motorcycles to cabinets, machine tools, and even cars. It features a two-way adjustable ratchet design, letting you easily switch directions as you work, tightening or loosening screws in seconds. And thanks to its high-density ratchet gears, you'll experience smooth and efficient operation every time. Built from ABS and metal, the SMARLAN wrench offers both comfort and durability. The galvanized surface not only looks great, but also protects against rust and corrosion, keeping your tool in top condition for years. You'll get 10 precision bits, slotted, Phillips, and Torx, all fitting the standard 6.35mm hex shank. Plus, its compact 110mm design and storage lock make it easy to carry anywhere. And here's the best part. It's available now for only $1.11, down from $1.31. That's 15% off. Click the link in the description below to grab yours today before the deal ends. If you found this tool useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech and tool reviews every week.